It's my ed with Jeff. Seriously, it's my ed with Jeff. Okay, why isn't it taking a picture? Oh, it's taking a video. Linking classes for categories. Okay, back at you again, and we're going to talk a little bit more about setting up your gradebook with categories and moving into assignments. So I've selected Alistair Sinus-N, and this person is teaching new media. And so if I go to my gradebook tab, you'll see that I have History 12, History 12, English Studies 12, and then 3 blocks of new media. That gives me a chance to use the linking features that MyEdBC has, right? So what we do is we start off by selecting one of the classes and looking at the details of that class like we did before. Except this time, we're going to go to classes linked for assignments and categories. We're going to go down here to where it says select, and we're going to select all of our new media blocks. So we're just doing the ones from quarter 4, and then we'll press OK. And I'm going to give a name for this, which is going to be so new media. And we're going to save that. So now these two classes are linked for both assignments and categories. And then we can move on to creating some new categories for our classes. Now, you'll see here in our screen, looks a little bit different when we're doing it from the details section. And it says also add to linked sections. So we're going to start with our inquiry project. Call it INQ and inquiry, and we'll give that category a weight of 30. Right. Sorry, just get it out from underneath my beautiful face. All right. So what we're looking at here is a little check mark to save it. And you'll see it starts breaking things down for me like that. And so now its weight is 30, but because we don't have any other categories, its total is 100% of the course. So for the next one, I'm going to call it RWRI, and this is our writing portfolio, and give that a grade, a weighting of 20. So now it's 60 and 40%. We're going to add one more here. We'll call it TP for a term paper. The category weight for that one's going to be 10. And 30, 20, 10, 60. And for our 40% remaining, we're going to create a category called, let's see, Voc. And we'll call that vocabulary. And we'll give that a category weight of 40%, which is, I don't teach new media, so I'm assuming that that is not what you do. Okay. So now we did check that, so we can go back and see and save it. Okay. So now you can see our breakdown in this one. And when we go look at the other new media class, this one, and look at our categories, you'll see those 3 categories came over. But if I recall correctly, we created 4 categories. What happened there? Okay, well, let's add that one back in. We have 50, 30, and 30, 20, and 10. So we're looking for that 40%. I guess maybe it didn't like the fact that I said vocab. Let's try res for search. We're adding it to linked sections, and we're going to go 40. And there we go. We press the save mode, and we go. So now when we go look back here at our other block, you'll see it shows up there as well. So what we have here are some linked categories, and it's a way to um, do this faster if you have multiple blocks of the same subject. Okay, why isn't it taking a picture? Oh, it's taking a video.